The old video that was made by a South African billionaire, Rob Hersov, has resurfaced online and is dividing the Economic Freedom Fighters members and Umkhonto we Sizwe Party members. Some EFF members believe that Rob had a hand in helping Umkhonto we Sizwe Party to steal and destabilize the Economic Freedom Fighters. In a video, he talked about the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party before it was even launched publicly. Rob is heard saying tomorrow Jacob Zuma will launch his own party, Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, and that's good news. It's going to split the ANC and EFF in half because he doesn't like Cyril and Julius Malema. The angry members of the Economic Freedom Fighters shared their thoughts on how Rob and Jacob Zuma plotted against the EFF and that there's a possibility that he's funding the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, and asked questions that how did Rob Hersov know about the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party before it was even launched. One person reacted to the news and said, there are serious allegations that the MK Party was conceptualized by Rob Hersov to weaken the EFF. Another one shared a video and said everything Rob Hersov said in this video came to fruition. So it begs the question, if Rob had insider information before anyone else, who's running the Umkhonto we Sizwe machinery, who funds them, and who are their handlers, who do they submit and answers to? Another one said, Umkhonto we Sizwe Party belongs to Rob Hersov. Let's connect the dots here. Also shared the video of Rob. The Umkhonto we Sizwe Party members hit back and stated that the same Rob they are talking about also said that Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is the threat to South Africa's economy and said that Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is funded by Russia. He doesn't like Jacob Zuma. One said, the same Rob Hersov who said Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is funded by Russia. Get that clip before tweeting nonsense. Another one said, the same Rob who funded EFF and even organized your leadership to meet Robin Randwick. Another one said, EFF must not provoke us with Rob Hersov nonsense or we will tell Floyd to reveal who was funding the misleader. Someone also said, fighters, let's all focus. Let's continue to fight for the land, free education, and free healthcare. Rob Hersov's political party is just here to protect white people's interest. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.